In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Whop. Reviews help other shoppers decide what to join and give creators useful feedback, so we'll keep this quick, clear, and to the point. Start on the Whop home feed in your browser. From here, look for the Discover option in the main navigation. On desktop, it usually sits near the top, and on mobile, it may appear along the bottom navigation bar. If your window is narrow and you don't see it right away, expand the window or open the menu to reveal Discover, then click it. Discover shows trending and recommended products, communities, and memberships. Browse or use search to find the exact item you want to review, the one you've actually used. Opening that listing takes you to its main page, where you'll see the name displayed at the top. Next, locate the small drop-down next to the name. This is the menu that holds additional actions for that listing. Click the drop-down to expand it. If you've scrolled down the page and can't find it, scroll back to the top so the name and its menu are visible. In the expanded menu, choose Leave a Review. This opens the review window for that specific product or community. Keep your feedback specific and fair. Note what worked well, what could be improved, and who the offering is best for. Avoid sharing private information and stick to your real experience so others can trust what you write. Clear, concise reviews with concrete details are the most helpful. That's the whole flow. Home feed, discover, choose the item, open the drop-down next to its name, and select Leave a Review. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your experience confidently on Whop.